respected headmistress, chief guests, members of the juries, teachers, and my dear friends. I, Alisha Tande from Standard 9. Today, I stand before you to speak on the topic discipline is more important than freedom in school. Discipline means self-control, obedience, punctuality, and respect for rules. In a school setting, it helps students to stay focused on their goals, behave respectfully, and complete their task on time. Without discipline, even the most brilliant minds can go off track. Discipline means following rules and staying committed to the responsibility. It means doing what is right even when no one is watching, whether it's reaching school on time, completing assignments regularly, or being respectful to the teachers and classmates. All of this is discipline in action. There are two types of discipline: external discipline, which is enforced by others like parents, teachers, or rules, and self-discipline, which comes from within. The second one is more powerful because when we learn to control ourselves, we are when we control to learn ourselves, no one else has to. Take any examples of a successful person, whether it's a cricketer like Virat Kohli, a scientist like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, or a leader like Mahatma Gandhi. What made them stand out was not just their intelligence or talents, but their discipline and commitment. Freedom, on the other hand, is important. It gives students space to express themselves and explore creativity. But freedom without discipline turns into chaos. Too much freedom can lead to laziness, disrespect, and even failure. Discipline builds the foundation for a successful life. Many scientists, leaders, and achievers have reached their goals not just through their intelligence but through their disciplined efforts. In fact, discipline is become more meaningful when it is earned through discipline is freedom is more meaningful when it is earned through discipline. In conclusion, while freedom is valuable, discipline is what gives that freedom direction and purpose. Let's not forget that a school is a training ground for life. If we learn discipline here, we are prepared to face challenges outside the real world. School is a place of learning and growth, and discipline ensures that this growth is meaningful. Let us not wait for someone else to force us. Let's become a self-disciplined individual who are focused, responsible, and ready to succeed. Let us all remember that a disciplined student becomes a responsible citizen tomorrow. As the saying goes, discipline is the key that unlocks the door to success. Thank you, and a disciplined day ahead.
Good morning, respected headmistress, teachers, and my dear friend. Today, I stand before you to speak on the topic discipline is more important than freedom in school. Friends, school is the foundation of our future. It is a place where we learn not just only subjects but also values and habits. And the most important value we learn is discipline. Why is discipline so important? Because without discipline, and freedom has no meaning. Imagine a classroom where every student does whatever they want, shouting, moving around, not completing homework. Will anyone learn anything? No. That is not freedom. That is chaos. Discipline helps us to focus. Discipline teaches us to respect time, follow rules, and listen to others. It builds us character and shapes us into a responsible citizen. Freedom is important, but it must first learn to follow rules before it can be trusted with freedom. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. That burning comes through discipline, regular study, hard work, and good behavior. Real freedom comes after discipline. When we are disciplined, we earn the trust of our parents and teachers. Then only we get the freedom to make choices and make decisions and express ourselves. Imagine this, a train is free to move fast only because it stays on the track. If it leaves the track, it crashes. In the same way, students need the track of discipline to move forward in life safely and successfully. Discipline helps us to improve our good habits respecting teachers, hard work, completing homework. These habits stay with us forever and lead us to success, not just in school but in life. Discipline is like a root of a tree. It may not be seen, but it holds everything together. Freedom is like a fruit, sweet and enjoyable, but it can only grow if the roots are strong. In conclusion, I would like to say discipline is foundation of a success. Freedom is a gift that comes after responsibility. So let us be all a disciplined student and build a bright future for ourselves, our school and our country. Thank you.
Good morning, respected headmistresses, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Anvisha Damaji from class 9. Today I stand before you to speak on the topic discipline is more important than freedom in school. Today I am honored to discuss a crucial aspect of educational journey, discipline. While freedom is essential, I firmly believe that discipline is more important in school. Discipline is the backbone of any successful institution. It helps us to develop a sense of responsibility, respect, and self-control. By following rules and regulations, we learn to manage time effectively and achieve our goals. In school, discipline ensures a conducive learning environment where we can focus on our studies, develop our skills, and grow as individuals. In school, discipline is not just about following rules, it's about developing a mindset that value hard work, dedication, and perseverance. It's about learning to manage the time effectively and stay focused in our objective. By, by cultivating discipline, we can unlock our full potential, achieve our goals, and make the most of our educational journey. By embracing discipline, we can achieve our academic excellences, developing essential life skills and responsible citizens. Discipline teach us respect to authorities, follow rules, and stay towards our goals. It helps us build a strong work ethic, overcomes challenges, and success in your life. Thank you.
Respected headmistress teacher and my dear friends, today I stand before you to speak on a very important topic. Discipline is more important than freedom in school. Freedom is essential in life. It gives us the power to express ourselves, to grow and to dream. But when come to school, discipline must come first. Why? Because discipline is the foundation of the day. Learning without it, classroom become chaotic without discipline. No one learns, no one succeeds. No one learns, no one listens, and no one succeeds. Imagine a school where everyone does what they want. When they want, will any real learning happen? No. Discipline Discipline teaches us time management, respect, responsibility, and focus the very qualities that shape our future. Freedom without discipline is like a car without brakes, fast but dangerous. On the other hand, with discipline with guided freedom help us to grow in the right direction. In school, we need rules, set rules, and only when we are disciplined, we can truly handle and value it true power. Thank you.
Without discipline, freedom becomes chaos. With discipline, freedom becomes strength. Good morning, everyone. Respected headmistress, member of jury, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I, Master Krishna Kamlesh Solanki, stand before you to speak on a topic that shapes our future. Discipline is more important than freedom in school. Let me begin with a simple question. Can a train run without brakes? Can a kite fly without a string? The answer is no. Just like that, freedom without discipline becomes chaos. In the school environment, discipline is not a punishment, it is a guide. It is a structure that will help a student grow, learn, and succeed. We all love freedom. Who doesn't? Freedom to speak, to choose, to play, to learn. But if every student does only what they feel like without rules, what will happen? Imagine a classroom where no one listens, a school where no one follows time, or a playground where no one plays fair. Will there be any learning at all? Certainly not. Discipline creates the right atmosphere for learning. It teaches us to respect our teachers, to follow school rules, to be punctual, and to focus on our goals. These values stay with us for life. A disciplined student becomes a responsible citizen. They know the value of time, hard work, and respect. On the other hand, too much of freedom at a young age can lead to laziness, distractions, and even failure. Without discipline, freedom can be misused. A student might choose fun over studies, comfort over hard work, and end up losing valuable opportunities. Great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, they succeeded because they were disciplined. Their lives teach us that freedom has meaning only when we are disciplined enough to use it wisely. That doesn't mean we should have no freedom. No, but freedom must come within the boundaries of discipline. Like traffic rules give us freedom to drive safely. School rules give us freedom to learn and grow in a positive way. In conclusion, friends, I would like to say that freedom is important, but discipline is the foundation on which it stands. In schools, discipline shapes our future, helps us achieve our dreams, and turns freedom into a powerful tool rather than a dangerous weapon. So yes, in school, discipline is more important than freedom. Thank you.
Discipline, the path of success. Good morning, respected chief guests, headmistresses, teachers, and my dear friend. I am Riya Knight from Standard 9. Today, I am going to speak on a very interesting topic, that is, discipline is more important than students in freedom in school. Let me start with a simple question. Can we play cricket without rules? No, right? If everyone does what they want, there will be no game, only chaos. The same goes with life. Freedom means doing what you like, but discipline means doing what is right, even if you don't feel like doing it. Friends, we all want fun, freedom, and to chill. But imagine a school where there are no rules, no time to come to school, everyone eating in the class, phone ringing, students running around. Sounds cool for a one day maybe, but every day it won't be a school. It will be a mess. Discipline gives us a structure like timetable, uniform, finishing homework, respecting teacher. It makes everyone to learn, grow, and to be safe. Now, I am not saying discipline, freedom is bad. Freedom is also important. It helps us to choose, think, and to be creative. But without discipline, freedom can go in a wrong way. Discipline teaches us to be on time, to work hard, to listen, to respect teachers. These small habits can make us a successful person in life. The great people like APJ Abdul Kalam and Sachin Tendulkar became who they are not just by talent but by discipline. So friends, in school, discipline, freedom is important, but discipline is the key to use that freedom wisely. So let us enjoy our school life, have fun, be free, but discipline is our best friend. Thank you.
Good morning, respected headmistress, member of juries, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Anjaki, stand before you to speak on topic discipline is more important than freedom. Let us understand what does these two words mean. Discipline means being punctual, respecting teachers, doing homework on time. Freedom means asking questions, expressing thoughts, and exploring our creativity. Now imagine a school where everyone does they want, not doing homework on time, not coming to school on time, not respecting teachers, not meeting or it sound fun, maybe for one day. Learning and stop and education, the purpose of education will lose. So, freedom, discipline is the backbone of a successful school. It teaches us responsibility and good habits. Discipline Discipline without freedom is like a car without brake. It sounds exactly, but it is dangerous. Freedom is meaningful when it is guided with discipline. We are free to speak, but we have to speak politely. We are free to play, we have to play fairly. We are free to dream. Discipline helps you to work hard to achieve it. In real life, the great people like APJ Abdul Kalam, Mahatma Gandhi were disciplined. Their freedom had value because they were disciplined. Friend, discipline doesn't kill freedom, it protects it. Discipline makes a safe and a positive environment that students can learn and children can shine. Discipline is a bridge between goals and success. In school, it is bridge between learning and achievement. I believe that discipline is more important than freedom. Through discipline, we can enjoy the right kind of freedom. Thank you.
Without discipline is like the ship without a rudder. Good morning, respected headmistress, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I am here to speak on the topic discipline is more important than freedom in school. Discipline means following rules, being punctual, respecting teachers and classmates. In a school, discipline creates an environment where everyone can study, play, and grow without any disturbance. So, discipline is like the guiding light that keeps us on the right path. Without discipline, freedom can turn into misuse. If students only have freedom, no discipline, then they may skip their classes, break rules, and waste their time. Freedom is important too, but it must come with self-control. Discipline teaches us how to use our freedom wisely. It shapes our characters, helps us succeed in life, and makes us a responsible citizen. Now, imagine a school without discipline. The students will not follow rules. Classes will be disturbed. On the other hand, freedom without discipline may misuse freedom. So, discipline is like the guiding light that keeps us on the right path. It helps us achieve our goals. Therefore, discipline is surely more important than freedom in school. In conclusion, while freedom is important, discipline is the foundation upon which we build our academic success and personal growth. So, let's try to strike a balance between freedom and discipline, embracing the features and boundaries that help us thrive. We do not have to be smarter than the rest. We have to be more disciplined than the rest. So friends, let us understand that discipline is the backbone of good education. It keeps us focused, united and motivated. So let's follow the rules, respect our teachers and use our freedom wisely. Thank you and have a disciplined day ahead.
Good morning, respected headmistress, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I, Pahal Sharma, stand before you is going to speak on the topic discipline is more important than freedom in school. Before I begin, let me ask a simple question. Can a garden grow beautifully if every plant grows in its own wild direction? No, right? The same applies to school. Discipline is the backbone of a school. It teaches us to follow rules, respect others, manage our time, and to stay focused. Imagine a school where students walk into any class they want, speak whenever they will like, and ignore homework or exam. Would that be a school or just a noisy playground? Clearly, discipline helps us to grow. It builds structure and helps us grow. Freedom is important, I agree. We need freedom to think, to speak, and to express ourselves. But in school, freedom without discipline is dangerous. It can lead to careless behavior, bad habits, and disrespect. If everyone just did whatever they want, no one would be able to learn anything. Let me give another example. Imagine a train that runs fast and safely because it stays on its track. The track is discipline. If the train goes off the track, it crashes. In the same way, if we live discipline, our life goes off track. Discipline teaches us values like responsibility, honesty, and hard work. These are not just school rules, these are life lessons. Think about great leaders, scientists, or athletes. What do they all have in common? Strong self discipline. A disciplined student is most likely to become a successful adult. Discipline helps us to use our freedom in the right way. It teaches us self control, and if we are disciplined, we can use our freedom without misusing it. Discipline gives us the wisdom to use our freedom wisely. If a school gives the student the freedom to choose whether they want to come to school or not, most students will choose to stay home, watch TV, or play games. But what will happen in the future? Poor results, regret, and missed opportunities. On the other hand, if students follow a disciplined routine, waking up on time, attending all their classes, and doing all their work, they will succeed and enjoy true freedom later in life. In school, discipline teaches us to follow. In school, discipline teaches us to work hard now so that you can enjoy a lot of true freedom later in life. It helps us become respectful, responsible, and prepare us for life. Freedom may feel good in the short term, but discipline gives us strength for the long term. It helps us focus, builds character, and prepares us for future challenges. Freedom is a gift, but discipline is the key to use that gift properly. So, my dear friends, freedom may feel good, but discipline is important, especially in school. It keeps us on the right path, helps us grow, and shapes our future. To conclude, I would like to say, freedom gives us the right to make our own decisions, but discipline helps us to make the right ones. So, let's follow discipline and become the best version of ourselves. Thank you and have a disciplined day and a successful day ahead.